Alright guys, so there's 3 reasons you guys are here today. 1, you're a loyal XXX subscriber and you watch every single video, as all of you should. 2, you're here for the title because you want to know how many miles did we get out of those boggers. Or 3, you're here because of the thumbnail because you saw a hell of a smoke show. So it's going to go down today. We have gone through our first set of boggers. It's the B156. It's a 38.5 on a 20-inch wheel. JTX Forge wheels, looking sharp with those boggers on there. And so as you guys know, when we put this truck together, we hadn't really done anything like this before as far as a functional daily driver cross-country rig on boggers, but that was the vision. We did the new Duramax and thought, hey, it's going to look sharp. Let's see how it does when it actually is functional and we're out on the road. So it did amazing, dude. This thing drives like stock. You can take it up to 100 miles an hour, one-handed, be on your phone if you need to. Amazing. It's a great towing experience. We just had to see how long these boggers would last on the pavement. So we did. We went all the way through the life of them, first set, and we're done. So today is the day to do the obligatory burnout, because once you get them down to bald, you got to go ahead and send them off the right way. So America, today we're going to get into that, but first I want to kind of walk you through what we did with this build, that way you understand kind of what we've got, the application of how we use the tires in the truck, and then that way you can kind of understand how the math equates to the mileage that we got out of the tires. So come take a look with me. As you can see here, it's 38.5-inch bogger. It's on the 20 by 12 JTX Capo wheel. We did the beadlock on there. Super sharp look, very functional as well. If you've ever ridden with me, I find curbs and rocks and all kinds of obstacles along the way. So I like looking at the big wheel, the big lip, but it's not something I can necessarily own. So having the rock ring on there, having the wide sidewall of the bogger, it's good traditional, kind of a little bit of an old school look on the new school truck. So it's been super functional for us so far. Track's amazing. Only thing you'll notice with this, as far as when you hop in and take off, is you got the road noise, the rumble inside the cab. But outside of that, man, like I mentioned, super functional, drives amazing. Really glad that we went with this combo. The Cognito 7 to 9-inch kit clears us well. Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks, soaks up all the bumps along the way. So definitely a great combination put together on the truck here, and glad to be able to have this as a real-world application daily driver and a work truck. All right, guys, so as you can see here, it's a little bit slick. So one thing we did find out as we got to put the truck in use is once we got on the road during our peak travel seasons of spring and fall, these rear tires with that big enclosed trailer out back started to wear a little more aggressively. So live and learn, you don't know. That's why we said on paper it looked cool. We just had to see how it does out in the field, and I was correct. Those rears, they did wear a little more aggressively pulling the big trailer. Pulled amazing, no sway, no problems. Super impressed with how well this bias tire does hauling. It just wore a little bit aggressively. So these tires you see right here, we got about 7,000 miles out of them, which not a lot, but what do you expect on a big lug bogger tire? So 7,000 miles. Fortunately we're a dealer with Interco. We got a great relationship there. We can try and get access to these when we need them. So as a marketing piece, this truck was successful. Got a lot of looks. As you guys see us traveling across the country, I always get all kinds of Instagram messages, snaps. Y'all always hitting us up, catching us, rolling across the country. So that's always cool. So mission accomplished on turning some heads and getting the Bogger brand out there. I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and roast these tires. think we took a little rubber off of them. Still good. We go ahead and travel cross country. Those dudes. Normal operating procedure. Were you scared?
No.
Never scared. Well, sending them off right. Get those new boggers bolted up in the morning and roll on for round 2. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was always fun getting those burnouts in. It's been a minute since we sent off a set of tires in the right fashion. So thank you guys for joining us. About to be a busy year, so starting it right. Old Bogger with a smoke show. Appreciate you guys watching. If you love XXX YouTube videos, but you just hate the ads, if you guys want to see the latest XXX YouTube content before all your buddies, if you want the best deals on the products and apparel that you guys love, then you need to be a XXX VIP. Just $19.95 a month, you get everything above, plus you get a distinguished XXX VIP pack. Just visit XXXmotorsports.com, get everything that you need right there.